Relax, I won't take up too much of your time. Today I'm going to talk about one of the tactics I've been applying myself. Relax and switch to learning mode. You know, girls are very keen on their personal care, so most men chase after those well-groomed, beautiful girls. About 2 years ago, I started thinking, can I reverse these conditions? I said to myself, why are we chasing after girls? Why shouldn't they chase after us? And now, girls are chasing after me. Come, let me tell you how I did it. Good skincare. A clean skin sets you apart, gives you a chance to shine. So how do we achieve this glass-like skin? The foundation of skin health, nutrition. Nutrition is not only essential for building muscles, but also forms one of the cornerstones of our body and life. Let's take male models as an example. Their skin looks so glassy, doesn't it? You can easily learn how strict their diet is, what they eat, when they eat, etc. If you want, I can make a video about how a man diets. Let me know in the comments. In short, I can recommend you to eat the following foods: tomatoes, carrots, walnuts, avocados, and zucchinis, along with a regular intake of protein and healthy fats. We've briefly talked about the foods you should consume. Now let's talk about the foods you should avoid. As you might guess, alcohol, greasy fried foods, and fast foods, sugary foods, cheese, excessive coffee consumption. One of the things you must learn in life and is applicable everywhere in personal care is hydration. You need to pay attention to your water intake. A healthy person should drink 3-4 liters of water per day. When you do this, you will have healthier hair, a healthier mentality, a more impressive voice, and healthier skin. As you start your day, there are some skincare routines you need to follow. One of them is the double cleansing method, because having clean skin from the very beginning gives you a super advantage. First, cleanse your face with an oil-based cleanser, and then finish with a water-based one. Use products that contain natural oil to clean the pores on the skin, and then start your day with a water-based cleanser. There are also clay masks that you should stay away from. Instead, you should use serums. Don't forget to moisturize your body. Most importantly, sunscreen. It may sound a bit strange, but regardless of the time of day, you should use sunscreen before leaving the house. I've only told you what to do in the morning. Let's move on to the night. Don't worry, there's not much to it. Before going to bed, just apply some Vaseline on your lips and under your eyes. This will help remove dead skin on your lips and reduce dark circles under your eyes. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, mental health. If you don't have good mental health, you won't have a chance to apply what I've told you. You don't need to do everything I've explained in this video. Just choose the ones that suit you and are easy to apply. Consistency is key. Choose things you can do for a long time. Not just about skincare, but in every aspect of your life. One thing you should keep in mind is stress. Stress management is very important. I can make videos about this. Just let me know in the comments and hit the like button, buddy. My name is Chris, and I will continue to share things I think will help you on this channel. You can join us if you want, buddy. May everything in your life be as you wish and wonderful. Goodbye.